just another point about the jockey wheel while we're talking about it. Some customers, is they wind it up and they wind it up and they wind it up to as high as it can go, and it's still too low for the toe ball. So if you keep winding this, it'll just split in two and fall apart. So what's happened is you've got too much play at the top. So what I would do is I get an axle stand or a gas bottle or a step or anything like that, and I've just put it under there, wind it onto it, and then keep winding up so you take all the play out the bottom. And then you can readjust your jockey wheel. So basically you want this shaft down there, so we undo that like that, and that's going to get us, well, that much extra height on it, just like this. So now, as you can see, now I can get onto my toe ball and I can wind it down